Once you get it, I can Bluetooth it.
You're,
don't seem very
you're not
confident
gonna
about
get
it.
this because I've never talked about this.
Hi, I'm Jordan.
Hi, I'm Kyla, and this is Peer Reviewed. What? Okay, if you had a superpower, what would it be?
Me?
Yeah.
Guys, I'm struggling with the words today.
English isn't her first language.
Language barrier.
What?
Yeah, that's what I meant!
To beam?
Like to beam yourself into like that's what I meant.
But why did you choose that?
Well, because I'm lazy. Like
Where would you beam to?
home,
Where's home?
Germany.
Huh?
Okay, teleportation. I should have like gone through vocab before this. What's your dream job after school? Do you know something?
No.
Like how should I know then?
I should have this figured out, I feel.
Once you get it, I can Bluetooth it.
That's not my dream job.
Okay, but if you think about it, you're in accounting and you want to travel. So put those together
Yeah,
and you get all the
it's not
flight
bad.
benefits.
It's not bad.
And you probably get paid well.
If I didn't have to worry about the money, I probably wouldn't choose accounting.
Okay, well,
Sorry.
you always have to worry about money.
Not in my
So-
dream. Which of the following would you take as an elective? Death and the afterlife. 2, art, revolution, and pop culture. 3, beginner's Chinese. 4, topics in romance, Mediterranean cultures. 5, food chemistry. 6, introductory fly fishing.
Do you
I
just
didn't
put
know
the number?
intro to fly fishing was a class. That's kind of cool.
Yeah, but it's just 2 credits.
You know.
I've looked at them. Oh, food.
Why?
Come on. I don't know.
Food chemistry?
I don't think I'd be good at fishing.
I don't think you
Especially
like
not-
science.
Oh, favorite prof.
My favorite prof?
Oh, I know what they look like. Don't know the name.
Thanks.
I know everything but the name. I'm giving bullet points.
Oh gosh. Don't offend them.
Female, accounting, dark hair, glasses, question mark, Australian question
Yeah,
mark.
that's all right. That's Marley. Shout out Marley, best and favorite accounting prof.
Yes.
Which sport other than soccer would you compete in at the Olympics? Not spike ball.
No. Come on. Come on. Come on. Look at me and think. Aw, climbing.
Really?
You think I'm good at swimming?
I don't know.
Actually, I think I'd be good at bouldering.
Really?
Not speed climbing. I'm not fast. Not on the field, not off the field. What's your phone wallpaper? I know this. It's us.
Yeah.
I like
You want
it.
an airdrop?
Or yeah, that's
The background.